In this video, we're going to review transformations of functions. And in particular, we're going to look at translations. So we're just going to go through the translations of these top four, which is working with vertical translations and horizontal translations. So an example, we're going to describe the translations in these two functions, so the absolute value on the left and the quadratic on the right. And then we're going to write the equation of the function. Now, the main format for transformations of these functions would be f of x equaling, and we're going to have for absolute value, the absolute value of x minus h plus k. The h is going to be our horizontal movement from right to left, and our k is going to be up and down. So in our example here, we're going to focus in on our vertex. So the blue one, the blue function f of x, is our parent function. So the parent function has the vertex at 0, 0. We want to know how did it move to the purple, which is our g of x. So the vertex went 1 to the right. Now you would think it would just be plus x plus 1, but keep in mind the format already has x minus in it. So we want to only know what h is. So if h is a 1, a positive 1, we're going to put a 1 wherever the h is. That means we would have absolute value of x minus 1. And then not only did it go to the right one, but it went up 2 steps. So our k is a plus 2. So now, if I put a plus 2 in my equation, g of x would have an equation of the absolute value of x minus 1 plus 2. Second example is a quadratic. And for a quadratic, the parent function with transformations, just dealing with the translation though, would be f of x equaling x minus h squared plus k. And again, the h and k would be our vertex. So here, we don't have the parent function, but if I were to put the parent function here, the vertex would be at the origin, and then I would have a point at 1, 1, and negative 1, 1. So it would look like this. So now we want to look at how did the vertex change from here down to here. So we know that it went to the left 1, 2, 3 steps. So again, I have the x minus. It went to the left 3, so that means our h is a negative 3. Now, if I simplify it, x minus a negative 3 really means x plus 3. So right now, I'm going to have g of x equaling, parentheses, x plus 3 squared. And then it went down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a minus 4. So just going back to the very beginning, I forgot to describe the translations, or actually just write out what the translation is. So for this first one, the absolute value, it went 1, or went left, or not left, it went right 1, and it went up 2. And this one, it went to the left 3, and it went down 4. So that is a quick review on transformations, more importantly, translations of absolute value and quadratic functions.